So, I went to the cinema to see Materialists, a slow and beautiful film about the focus on materialism that a lot of people have in dating. It really shows how materialistic most people are through most of the characters, with only a few actually able to look deeper into who a person really is, instead of just what they look like or what they own. Every line in the film feels like it has something important to say about materialism, dating and love. And even in the silence, every look, every gesture says 1,000 things. And just like in Celine Song's previous film, Past Lives, it's refreshing that the main characters are just genuine, open, self-reflective, sweet people who are actually trying to do good. By the end, you've been through both heartbreaking and heartwarming moments. But it is very slow, and at times the beautiful lines start to feel like they're being read aloud and not like they're actually coming from the characters. Still, this is one of those movies where if you really invest in it and get lost in it, I think a lot of people could learn something about themselves and self-reflect about their own materialism and maybe become better people.